the thing inside of the from in the second parameter, which we've done as an arrow function. And so in that one, it will pass us two things. I'm not sure what the V is. It's probably some sort of context. But the second thing is the actual key that's been passed for the iteration. And so using that and then closing that up, we get this nice little output of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. To do that in the current browser, we have to have it translate this or transpile it. And so all they really had to do, all it thought it had to do, was call array.from and expand the arrow function into a real function. So that's one of the things Babel will do. It will take the code, look at it, and say, well, arrow functions don't exist in ECMAScript 5, so we're going to go ahead and generate a regular function and expand out the syntax and just do it as a regular function call. That's pretty straightforward. Here's the thing that's not so straightforward about transpilers. The transpiler doesn't know your browser doesn't have the from method on array. Right? That's a sideways thumb right there. That's like, great, thank you, transpiler, you don't know about the API change. But array.from was added in a recent update to the JavaScript API as part of really ECMAScript 6, I believe. And not all browsers support it. So I have a comment in here, and it just doesn't fit because I've kind of made this font larger. But it says that if you want to do that, they are well aware of this in the Babel team, and so they provide a browser polyfill script file, and that will patch up the objects in ECMAScript 5. And in ECMAScript 5, in any JavaScript engine, you can say, oh, here's the arrays object. I want to add a new method to it. So their little browser polyfill adds the from method to array. And that way, you can run the feature that only exists